Hello students of class 7, welcome to the GK class. Students, today we are going to start chapter 15, the print media. All of you take out your book and follow page number 23. Page 23, chapter 15, the print media. So what is a print media? It means the printed version of telling the news through newspapers, magazines, radios, televisions, okay? See, when we speak of the media, we generally mean newspapers, news magazines, radio and television. However, media or mass media include all means of mass communication, example, books, films and the internet. Even billboard, placards and blimps, small airships, are a kind of media called outdoor media. The print media, as the name suggests, include all kinds of printed material such as books, magazines and newspapers. A person whose job is to prepare material for publication as books, news items, etc. is known as an editor. An editor's work includes seeing that there are no mistakes, presenting the material in the right way and even deciding whether it should be published at all. Okay. So question number 1. If you were a newspaper editor, on which page would you place items with the following headlines? Okay. So who is an editor? A person whose job is to prepare material for publication is known as an editor. Okay. So see, the choices are Front, Nation, City, Business, World, Sports, Editorial. A. Venice to ban giant ships from its canals. This is World. So write World here. You have to choose from the options given above. B. Federer gets past Djokovic. So this is Sports. PM leaves for Moscow. This is Front. Then bomb scare at railway station. This is City. BSE Sensex hits new high. This is Business. The young Indian voter wants progress. This is Editorial. G. 60% rural houses without clean water. This is Nation. So World, Sports, Front, City, Business, Editorial and Nation. Number 2, tick the correct option or options. Number 1, the versions of a newspaper published from different cities or at different times of the day are called editions. Option B, editions. Newspapers are printed on a special kind of paper called newsprint. Option A, newsprint. A name that appears under some headline of a newspaper is the name of the option A, reporter or correspondent who has filed the report or story. The cover story of a magazine is all the options are correct. Option A, most important story in that issue. Story mentioned most prominently on the cover. Story related to the main picture on the cover. Now, number 5. The word agencies at the end of a report means that the story has been provided by news agencies. News agencies have their own reporters and photographers. Their stories are used by the TV and radio broadcasters as well. Which of the following are news agencies? So all the options are correct. Option A, Reuters. Option B, Press Trust of India, PTI. Option C, Associated Press, AP. Option D, Agence France Presse, AFP. The word copy means material prepared for publication. In advertising, it may mean a message or a slogan. In an advertising agency, a person whose job is to compose slogans is a copywriter. Option B, copywriter. Pick the news magazines. India Today. Option C, India Today. 8. Which of the following publishers publish books for children? All the options are correct. Option A, Ladybird Books. Option B, Katha. Option C, Puffin Books. Option D, Children's Book Trust, CBT. Number 3, label the parts of the book. Okay. So, A, this is called back cover. Right here, back cover. This is B. This one is called spine. This one is called spine. Number C. This is number C. These are the pages. Then D. This is the cover. E. These are the blurb. B-L-U-R-B, blurb. Okay? It means a few things about a book written by the publisher to make you want to buy the book. F, this is known as dust jacket. G, this is the title of the book. Now see question number 4. Fill in with the correct option. Okay? Choose from the options given above. An introduction to a book, generally by the author. This is preface. B, a note at the bottom of a page to explain something in the page. This is footnote. An explanation or description accompanying a picture or a figure. This is a caption. This is known as the caption. D, an alphabetical list of the topics covered in a book and the pages where they occur. This is index. E, a few things about a book written by the publisher to make you want to buy the book. This is blurb. A number that identifies a book and its publisher. This is ISBN. Okay? So we have done this chapter. So students, in my next class, I will give you questions up to this chapter. Okay? That's all for today. Have a nice day all of you and take care.